Hey guys.
Hey Charlie.
We're in Tangier now.
That is Tangier.
We found out because when the guy said we have rooftop breakfast, and every time you just kind of just sit here.
There's breakfast over there. And it's a really nice little hotel actually, isn't it? Yeah, £30 a night. And that is Tangier. It's the bay.
This is like all the old town area here. It's all
The old town. So it's hard to tell where the old and new towns start, but yeah. And we're going to go explore it today.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll show you a bit of Tangier today.
Now we're inside. So that's the stick you got there to go to the garden or rooftop. There's a sitting area here.
And all the bedrooms are off around and
Very nice. It's only a tiny bit. And
you have to duck, as I didn't do yesterday.
Yesterday, well, the day before this, I managed to knock my head, then I looked behind you, and you just gone.
A few shops out. Quite a nice little cafe restaurant.
Loads of fishermen.
Oh yeah.
Another one there.
This is Spain over there.
Where? Oh, that lump.
Yeah.
Still through Europe.
Right, there's the Atlantic. Right here's. It's quite nice. So,
That's half there. Well, no. After a bit of research, you just found that these little lumps in the rock are there.
based on this sort of insanely steep cliff face.
And there's people up there, but yeah. So here,
And what are they called?
I forgot.
Steps of Doom.
Steps of That's not a very motivating name. What kind of name is that? Okay. But then just there, it's like a massive cave cliff edge.
Oh, these are the steps.
So you come up about. But then there's like a little bit of water stream here, and there's rocky slips there. We've made it to the top. Well, just because that last bit, oh my, it was so weird. I don't think you recorded that, did you?
I recorded bits of it, but not the worst bit. No, I had everything in my pocket.
Because it was like this bit where I don't know how you say it.
Just
Which is like a massive slope down.
just a 45-degree slope down on sketchy sandy rocks. But apart from that, it was okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just had drinks, which was
A coffee and a mint tea
and a
and an orangina. How much?
40 dirhams, which is about.
It's less than £4. It's about £3.50.
That's just London.
Sunday Cafe in Tangier. With some budgie guys.
Yeah. So we're gonna go into the old town areas and just go and explore those little shops and look around.
Oh, Charlie. This is nice. Oh, I know. This is the walls of the old town. It's come alive since this morning, Charlie. Not looking at a map till we find our way back to somewhere we know, Charlie. God, Jesus.
I know where we are.
We're on the main street then now.
Here's the main street. Yeah, so we're going to hopefully just drop something off at the hotel and then we're going to head out for lunch now. And we're going to go to the same place we did yesterday because your lunch has arrived.
Yeah, it's quite hot.
I think so.
So I think this and 2 drinks is what, like about £10?
This is kind of a place that when you to an end of a holiday. Don't you think?
It's good for an end of a holiday. Why is that?
Because like the other places you go around and travelling, and here you kind of just chill
Yeah.
and just have a relax.
Main Square?
Yeah.
Oh, look, our friends are back.
Oh yeah, what is that?
They ask for permission.
Oh,
But
do
you
you?
can sit, yes, but you can sit.
Impressive vegetables. Impressive vegetable selection. Yeah. Where are we? Oh, is this the main square?
It's the main square. Yes.
Okay.
I could tell. I could tell we're going to a busy street because I could hear the loud.
You could hear it, yeah. You could hear it. Not.
You hear it like this.
You could just keep going for days and find new alleys, couldn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, we were here yesterday.
Are we here?
Yeah. Yeah, so we went there, had tea.
Cafe Baba.
It was quite sweet though.
Did you know it's quite a famous cafe? Lots of famous people used to hang out there.
This is the best cafe in Medina.
People like the Rolling Stones used to go and hang out there. Bob Dylan. Wow, look at Spain.
Well, it's quite weird.
So clear today. Hazy and yet clear. It's a city that keeps on giving. Oh, what's up here? Some sense.
So that marks the end of our Gibraltar Moroccan trip.
It does. On our rooftop.
Yeah.
Saying goodbye to Tangier. So yeah, what do we think of Tangier?
It's quite good. There's not much, but there's quite a lot to look at in the old town.
I was in Marrakesh earlier in the year and I thought this is like a very chilled version of that. A lot more easy, a lot less hassle at shops, a lot less people. But
It's quite recommended.
no, I recommend it, yeah.
We'll see you in the next travel or video.